it would appear that my mic has returned to its former glory, so I no longer need to put artificial gain on it. Anyway, so today we're doing two things. First of all, I'm reading this article, How Can You Be So Certain by Bjorn Strostrup, the creator of C++, which is from, 2019? In fact, let me see if there's a later revision. The thing is, I'm not sure how I would track it. I'd have to go, up by years and pray. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, you know what, screw it. How did I even get there? Okay. 2023. Okay, I'm gonna assume this is the latest revision. And anyway, it's I don't know why there would be multiple revisions, considering seems like a opinion article than an actual feature article. But yeah, so I'll be reading this because Goat Bjorn, but also because I'm curious what this is about, and I'm going to be taking notes at the same time. So in yesterday's video, that was 7 hours long, I started setting up Obsidian properly with my Zettelkasten note-taking method. So what I want to do is take notes on this article and in Zettelkasten style. Because, when I did this yesterday, I started by converting some notes I already had into Zettelkasten notes, but that's not really a good idea. Because it means that I'm trying to, transform information I already have into the Zettelkasten module, which isn't a bad thing to do, but definitely when if I'm starting out, I feel like it'd be better to just kind of have things flow into the Zettelkasten naturally first, so I have a clear idea of what those should look like, and then I can try transforming data into it. Because how can I construct the function for transformation if I don't even know what the result is meant to look like? That's deep. Yeah, the bars. So let's go ahead and try this out. Hopefully I gain something insightful. In which case, I'd add it to my notes. If I don't, then never mind. Yep. So, just get into it, right? Yeah. Yeah. How can you be so certain? And I'm actually gonna make myself a bit bigger here. I lied. I was reading a book by John McPhee. McPhee is supposed to be a link, and found this quote: "Say not, this is the truth, but so it seems to me to be as I now see the things I think I see." Goated. Okay, so first of all, why did this even stick out to me in the first place? This is the creator of C++. Why is he making an opinion article about certainty? I don't know. I genuinely don't know. So I'm very curious because I'm a bit of a philosopher. Yeah, we're all philosophers deep down, but I something that's been on my mind a lot recently, in particular, has been certainty. Right? How do you know things for sure? Right? Or not even know things for sure. How can you be so sure that you know something? Because it's something that is people are very sure of things all the time, but do they really think deeper? Okay, so this is a quote from David Love, one of the world's greatest field geologists. Love, a bit convoluted maybe, but it set me thinking. I've often wondered how some people could be as certain as they seem to be. We need to think harder. Yes, sir. Like, guys, for those of you who don't do programming, or who do programming but don't really think that deeply about it, do you not see the connection between programming and philosophy, right? The fact that we have the creator of C++ asking these questions just goes to show how deep programming truly is. It's not just about writing code. It's not just about computer science. There's psychology, user experience, there's philosophy, because not only are you creating code for a user, but you're also creating code for programmers to read. So you got two different audiences you need to accommodate. It's amazing, and of course you got the maths in it as well. The science to it, which is the psychology and sociology, and I'm just saying words at this point. We need to think harder. When it comes to language and library extensions, we seem to spend more time on technical details, such as deciding which keywords are the least bad, and exactly how to implement a feature, than on fundamental issues. We are far better technicians than we were in the early days of the committee, but I'm concerned that our discussions of major changes are somewhat superficial. Sometimes I miss the rigor of a peer-reviewed academic paper. The paper is at least partially based on empirical observations, that is. Often I miss the careful weighing of pros and cons. Often I wonder whether our weighing of evidence is thorough enough, consistent enough, and even if it pays attention to concerns that cut across the complete language and standard library. Um, can I highlight, first of all? I can draw. That is not ideal. Oh my days. I can highlight, right? Okay, I could do like that. Isn't really ideal. Um, could be worse, to be fair. Okay, I want to see if I can open this in like an actual PDF editor. Um, the thing is, it's quite slow. So the PDF editor I use, or I like to use, let me just download this, is called PDFgear. But I find it to be quite taxing on my computer. But I guess if I'm only opening it like temporarily to take notes is fine. Open with PDFgear. Yeah, because I mean, obviously now that I'm taking notes, I should really be like highlighting as I go. Okay, so let me zoom out here. Can I move this to the side? Because I want to have my camera. Uh, I get a double page, I guess. That's not what I want though. Okay. Uh, yeah. I mean, this is taking up. I guess that's not too bad actually. Nah, it just feels slow for some reason. I don't know. I'd love to move this to the side so I can have my camera somewhere else. That's full screen. I guess I can just do this actually. Um, maximize and then no, but windowed mode maximize. It's so annoying. Okay, I can do this, I guess. Right? That works. Okay. Let me just move my camera back then. No. Sorry. There we go. See, guys, this is how you make videos. Make quality videos. Okay. Um. Yeah. This should be good. God, actually, this is quite clunky though. What the hell? Just want to scroll. Okay, center the page. Right. How can you be so certain? So let's go through this again, but this time look for like actual key insights. So I was reading a book by John McPhee and found this quote: "Say not this is the truth, but so it seems to me that I see the things I think I see." Okay, I'm not gonna highlight that because whatever. So okay, empirical observations. I wonder what he means by empirical observations. So as I go through this, can I take notes? Comments maybe? Like a note, such as is that how I do this? Nah, nah, fuck that. God, how to delete this? Sorry. um, yeah, this video is as much a technical challenge, overcoming technical challenges as it is reading an article. Um, okay, how do I highlight? I mean, like add comments. I guess just this, the note feature. Okay, so sometimes I miss the rigor of paper. The paper is at least partly based on empirical observations. Okay, so I'm gonna. Here's what I want to do. I'm gonna make a note. Um, like what, right? And then later, when I finish reading, I'm gonna see if I can answer my own questions. So that'd be a good way to like really test comprehension. Let me highlight. So questions will be highlighted in red. Um, the best color. Maybe like a slightly yeah. There you go. So red will be my questions. Okay, and then I'll come back to them later and see if I can answer them. If I can't answer them, then I'll see what I can make that. Or like in that case, I guess I'll leave questions on my obsidian, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. Um. Okay. That is often. Okay. Often I miss the careful weighing of pros and cons. Right. Often I wonder whether our weighing of evidence is thorough enough. Why is it highlighting? Don't do that, please. I just want to select for reading. Consistent enough, and even if it pays attention to concerns. Okay, that's really annoying. I hate like because I like highlighting text as I read, and I prefer if this thing didn't show up. Um, oh, there's dark mode. Okay, that's good light mode. Although, is it good for like focus? Yellow background. Oh, fuck that. No. Oh, stop. Okay. If I go dark mode, is that good for focusing on the content? I think so. And then let's also. Can I? There's settings for this app. Is this app open source even? Is PDF? I mean, I only got it because my mum recommended it to me. Recommended it to me particularly because of the AI features, which are useful if you want to like go through a document uh when doing research for my IB. It's an essay, right? Um, just to like find like key points. Although nowadays, I honestly I would just upload the PDF to like a chatbot and then like a browser chatbot. Um, is PDFgear open source? I assume it's not. Spyware, malware, or scamware? That is great. That is amazing. Okay, best PDF reader. Windows 11. Let's see what people say. Okay, this is even mentioned. Okay, wait, no, here. Okay, well, this is a PDFgear developer. Okay, it's actually spyware though. Like chat, Edge browser. No, I mean it's fine for reading, but I need comments. Okay, let's ask Claude. What are good options for PDF readers that support highlights, highlighting, and commenting, i.e., note taking? Must be free and preferred if open source, although not required. Okay, let's have a look what the internet says. Um, yeah, because I got these, but like, what the hell, bro? I'm trying to control Z and it's opening a tab. Okay, let me go Vivaldi and just disable those keybinds. What to this video, which is not even like, yeah, I'm not reading anything. Um, Keyboard, quick commands. No, what even are these? It's search results. Okay. Wait, is there a notes tab? Reading list? Oh my god, there's a reading list feature. I should. Okay, I should use this instead of Obsidian. Ah, crap. Okay, I'm gonna sort that out later. What's this? Just windows and tabs. Why is this even here? Like, generally, what is this useful for? I can see my tabs here. Close tabs, sync tabs. Okay, that's for my mobile, I guess. Unread tabs, but like, why do I need to read it? It's annoying. Translate notes. Okay. I've created notes here, apparently. Like, notes like what? Like, how would I make a note right now? Uh, Control Shift O. Like this? Yeah, mum. Is that it? Just note taking. Okay. I guess I could use notes for like an index. Okay, I'll see. No, I'm not sure if I make good use of that. History, downloads, and bookmarks. Okay, but like my bookmarks are here. Bookmark bar. No, this is my bookmark bar. Okay, okay. Um, okay. So yeah, I'll see if I can use this reading list feature. In fact, can I just add straight from here to the reading list? Like if I look at my feed here for Obsidian Rocks, um, I get a link, right? No. Okay, like cool RSS feed, but can I get a link as well? Uh, yo, surely I can get the link, the original link. Bro, is it this? What the hell are these features? Compose new mail, move to folder. Can I like add it to my reading list? What is this? Why can't I see the original post? Is it this? Okay, interesting. Um, okay, okay. How did I even get here? I was just looking there. So how do I change my keybinds? Keyboard? Okay, where's Control Z? Tab. Close tab, new tab. Cycle forward, cycle back. Oh, Control page up. Okay. Um, reopen close tab, not Control Z. Like, why is that even there? Okay, so does that save automatically? It does. Okay. Okay. Right. What was it called? Say, open source, Okular, annotation, inline pop notes, full selection, sidebar annotations tab. Very useful for academic reading. Is GLP version 2, Windows, and Linux. Awesome. Uh, Fiddly. Okay. Events, GNOME, Moo, PDF. Zathura. Okay. So Okular, nice. Free but not open source. Foxit. Exchange, and Exodo. For your use case, Okular is clear winner, and then Follux is more polished. Okay, so let's have a look at Okular first and see how it is. Oh wait, can you read manga in it? Actually, I would like to do that if it makes the experience good. Because I mean, for those, I mean, I read yeah, any spoilers here? I read Steel Ball Run in digitally via like PNGs, and it was just such a pain. I mean, I think I literally used the Windows image the Photos app on Windows to read it. It was so bad. Like obviously like the manga was good, but just the user experience of reading it was so bad. It put me off digital reading for ages. And I started reading JoJolion, part 8 of JoJo, but just gave up because like I just hated reading it like that, like in that format so much. So if I can get like a good way to actually just read those, I'll be so happy. But I mean, this says it supports PNG, so that's pretty good. Okay, let's have a look at Okular. Oh, okay, Foxit first. This is Foxit. It's even free. I'm already turned off. Okay, okay. No, let's then download this. Then join the British English team. Oh, that's nice of them to actually translate it though. Come on. What is KD? Wait. Yeah, what is KD? Open source software. That's nice. Plasma, a new desktop. Oh, they got a desktop for Linux. Okay. What's he got? Contacts for emails and feeds. I mean, I use Vivaldi for my feeds just because it has them, and I've never used feeds before. But why are these here? That's useful, I guess. But why is Wikipedia binary trees in my in my sidebar? Let me remove that. I don't need this. Vivaldi social. Yeah. Contact kdevelop. What the hell? They got an IDE for C and C++ as well. That's crazy. Why? I mean, why not? Is a real question, right? The more competition, the better. Even if as well, especially in an open source environment, the better. That is interesting. G Compress, engaging young minds. What an educational suite. That's open source. Damn. What? LabPlot. Krita. Picture software. I've heard of Krita. Um, it's sometimes brought up in like the Photoshop alternatives discussion, but obviously it's not. It is for painting. Steam Deck, Tuxedo, Slimbook, Ubuntu Focus. I do need to get Linux at some point. I was thinking of putting it on a what do you call it, a virtual machine. I might do that in a video at some point. I could get it on a but the thing is I want to get I was kind of waiting to get a new laptop first, but until I get like a job, that's not really gonna happen. Is that Keaton Live? Is Keaton Live KDE? No, shut up. No way, Keaton Live is. If it is, that's crazy because Keaton Live's kind of shit. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Kid Live is cool, but like it has serious stability issues. I think Kid Live is better on Linux because it's kind of like that's like the main platform it's developed for, and then on Windows it has bugs and crashes, which is another reason to switch to Linux. Honestly, is that crazy? But like there are apps that actually run better on Linux, just because that's like where the open source community is on primarily, which means that actually gives Linux such a huge boost because it means the programmers are moving to Linux, which means the users are going to have a better user experience on Linux, and that's I think that's how we win, against big tech. Um, there's a lot. Oh my god. Why? Pretty flag. How there's so many? Okay, I'm gonna look through these at some point to see like which of these is actually useful. I didn't know there were over 200 apps. That's ridiculous. So I assume Kate Live is here. It is, and I saw Okular as well. This just sorts by popularity. So Okular is one of the most popular thingies. Windows Dolphin File Manager, as opposed to the one I have right now. I was actually trying a different file manager, but I didn't really like it in the end. I forgot what it was called. But I'd be open to a different one if it's actually better. Anyway, that's that'd be a fun video for later actually. Anyway, for now though, let's get Okular for Windows. The Microsoft Store. Uh, I don't like. Is that good though? Okay, these are for Linux. I don't love downloading from the Microsoft Store, but I guess I might as well if I'm on Windows. I'm actually just gonna close this. Um, should I install Okular through the Microsoft Store or via direct download? Because like generally, obviously, the Microsoft Store is safe, but I don't know. Chocolatey. Yeah. It's out of date. Bloody hell. Direct download, more current builds, test versions. Yeah. Chocolatey. Yeah, I mean, I kind of installed Chocolatey because AI told me to a while ago. I don't even know how good Chocolatey is compared to other ones, like compared to other package managers on Windows, but I guess I should use it or like learn how to actually use it more often. Honestly, I need like just like a fresh install of Windows, but then again, I don't want to use Windows. But if I were to dedicate myself to Windows, I think I would want to just do a fresh restart and like get like the package manager in properly and then like all that stuff. There's Okular. Okay, 125.4. So we're actually a bit ahead of this now. It didn't even ask me if I wanted to load it. Okay, yeah. Okay, this might take a while. I say in the meantime, but what do I do in the meantime? It's stalled. Sick. So let's try launching it now. Uh, Downloads. Open with another app. I need to delete Zen. Although first, I need to port my extensions. Uh, okay, I don't see it there. Okular. Totally ocular. Proceeds to install malware to his computer. Oh, look at that. Okay, open documents. That's quite modern. Like more modern than it initially appeared. Not that I care about like it looking modern per se, but it's a nice touch. Um, okay. So I think I need to move myself back. View mode. Yeah, continuous. Yeah, I can hide the sidebar. Okay. So I'll just do what I did before. I mean, it makes more sense to put it on the left side because my apps are here. But if this is mirror, no, yeah, this is my left hand, and this is my right hand. So it's more correct. Not that it matters, but like whatever. Okay. Can I zoom in here? Smooth zoom in, perhaps. Okay. Right. What features do we have? Browse, text selection, highlighter. Nice. So if I give a highlighter and say I want to highlight what I wanted before. So empirical observations, right? We've got highlighter. Oh, is it just nice? Okay, we got keybinds. That's great actually. Browse is control 1. And then can I just press it? I can. Okay. Control 1, text selection is control 4. Control 2 and 3 are for different things. I see. Control 2 is for zooming. Okay. So you got browse. Don't need that. Text selection. I guess it's useful just for like that. And then highlighter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I might change his keybinds then. So tools, settings, configure Okular, I guess, right? Okay. Shortcuts. First though, is there language settings? Yeah. Japanese. What the hell? What the hell? Okay. So settings, shortcuts. Yeah, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, right? It's got Alt, okay. Don't really care about those too much. Where are the numbers? Is it collapsed? Alternate? No. Um, highlight. I switched now. Highlight. Highlighter. I'm confused. Oh. The hell? Oh. Damn. That's cool. Highlight. Note. Oh, I see. Pop-up notes. Just on the page. Okay. Freehand line. Okay, so okay, I see this. I see this. And then what's this then? Like if I wanted inline notes. Okay, so that's on top of the page. I see. Okay, I'd like to like highlight text and have a note attached to it. But okay, so I guess I'll use this then. But like, nah, should I? Okay, now my things aren't working. I'm pressing 1 and it's no longer selecting. 1, 2, 3, hello. Um, Control 1. Okay. I only care about these. Okay, so we got yellow highlighter, green highlighter. What can I add? Text markup, stamp. Okay, that's fine. Underline. What would I even underline? Okay, so let me just think. I don't need to insert text. Inline notes are useful. Pop-up notes can be useful. Yellow highlighters is just standard, right? So I'd use yellow for like quotes. Green for like questions. So I'll change this to a different color. I'll do red. Make it a bit pinkish. Yeah, sexy. Obviously change the name. Yeah, so yellow. Oh no, but quotes are just anything, aren't they? Okay, so yellow will be like a key highlight, text markup. Is that what that means? For green, not green. For this one, it would be question highlight, or like pondering, inquiry, let's say. Okay. Underline. I don't see a reason to use underlining. I guess I could use underlining instead of highlighting, but nah, not a fan. And then notes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Unfortunately, my keywords are not working, so I think I'm gonna have to restart the app. So first, bug, but oh well. I also pin this because it might come in handy in the future. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, so and for text selection, Control 4. That's fine. So let's highlight what we did before. So 2 for inquiry, right? And empirical observations. Gotta highlight this. And my question. So inline note here. What? Which is just like what, right? And then how I mark that as done. Is that done? Oh, hold on. Uh, oh, I can copy an image to my clipboard. It's interesting. And text. Okay. Okay, delete that. Delete. Why is backspace doing that? How do I delete this? Okay, so for inline notes, I need to drag, I think. So like this. Yeah. Okay. It's something. I don't like that though. Like I want to be able to just select it. And then what's a pop-up note? Okay. Okay, I see. In that case, I will definitely prefer to use pop-up notes. So let's remove this and remove it as a feature as well. Okay. Performance. Smooth scrolling, scroll bars. Okay. Show more annotation tools. I see. So these are the other ones, but I only need like 3. So okay, so we make a pop-up note here, a pop-up note here, like what? Again, I wish I could link these to the things, but I guess it's fine for now. And can I hide and show comments? For instance, toolbar shown, menu bar, sidebar, color scheme, whatever. Tools. Got text to speech. View. Okay. Like if I want to view my document without comments, how would I do that? Can I do that? Okay. Some features that are important to me. Um, being able to toggle all highlights, all notes slash highlights on and off. Um, being able to attach written notes directly to highlights, like commenting in Google Docs works. I don't care about name tracking or like user tracking. That's it really. Just toggle them off and off, written notes to highlights, and like at least two different highlight colors. Other features don't matter so much. Okay, because I haven't seen these initiatives. All three. Yep. Oh, what? You can right click an existing highlights. Oh, okay. Like what? Nice. So then I can just delete this one. Okay. If I click on it, does it open though? It does actually. Oh, I can just hover as well. Okay. My main issue here is that it's not obvious that there's a note there. But obviously, if I'm using red for questions, then I can kind of infer that. Okay. That's fine then. Toggling annotations on and off. The main toolbar can be toggled, but only hides the toolbar, not the annotations themselves. It's a common feature request, and no one's added it. I feel like it'd be pretty simple, no? Okay, but like the thing is, I looked at Foxit Reader, and it looks like it looks malicious. Okay, okay, no, I was on the wrong website, I guess. No, the right website, just the wrong page. Okay, so what's this one then? It's on mobile. Don't care. I don't care about collaboration or anything. ChatGPT. Where's Claude? Is that it? I mean, they're not really showing me much, are they? You have to upgrade to PDF editor. Okay, screw that. Best. Yeah. Okay, fine. I guess I'll stick with this for now. It is open source though, right? So if I were to, sorry, if I were to open this, can I see the source code? If I want to like edit it. Okay, it's hosted on GitLab, I think, right? I think that's the GitLab logo. Uh, almost 12,000 commits. Only 49 stars. 46 stars. Mind you, it's on GitLab, not GitHub. Is there a mirror? Okular, GitHub. Yeah. Is this mirrored or is it? No, it's on here. It's on here. Okay. Last updated 2 weeks ago. Removed custom micro. Okay. C++. Okay. Um, I wonder if GitLab's any better at displaying stuff. I'll just use this now just to see what it's like. Okay, I have to hover to see the languages. The issues. Manage. code, plan, issues, yeah. So did they put features here? Like if I search for toggle, just toggle. I don't know. Does it say what it uses? Or is it built from the ground up? Um, Okular desktop, key parts, mobile application, plugins. Okay. So where's the source? Core, UI, core, I guess. How did I get so sidetracked? I'm looking at the source code of this open source software, and I just want to read the blog post. I might make this a separate video. Trying out a PDF editor. Um, use SCD optional. Goat. Q variant. Is it Qt? Doesn't seem like it. I've never used Qt before, so I don't know what it would look like. I just expect to see Qt in the code. Um, that's kind of cool. I really want to get into like opening up what do you call it? Open source software. Because like the whole point is that like the whole motivation was so that people could open it up and edit it if they needed to, right? So how do I like add a toggle? Document, form generator, movie observer page, source references, text editors. Okay. Script? No. So there's not much, is there? I'm guessing. So like let's look at like document. Oh, okay, it is Qt. God damn. Like the hard thing is like where do I even start, right? Like highlights. Okay, no, we got annotations here. Annotations.h. Did I just miss that? I did. Oh my god, I'm actually blind. So this is what? Distance squared, okay. So if I edited this, I could potentially add a toggle. Okay, interesting. Maybe one day I will. I would certainly I would have to be that kind of programmer who can just open a code base and do that, you know? Open a code base and do that. Um, okay. I feel quite satisfied then. So I'm just going to edit this. I mean, I'm gonna read this in a different recording. So if you are watching this, hopefully you. What was the point of this one? Yeah, I don't know. This is just an archival for the hell of it. See you in the next video.